Hey there, everyone, and welcome to the design studios of Proeventplanners. My name is Melody Dixon, and I'm the CEO and founder of the company. Today's tablescape is dubbed a floral extravaganza. My daughter Alicia and I kind of came up with that idea just for the drama of it. So it features this very creative and bountiful arrangement that starts on top of the table and goes down to the floor. The color palette is lavender, pink, fuchsia, ivory, and the tablecloth is a lavender satin. On either side of the arrangement are clear candle holders with ivory candles. The charger plate on the table is a beautiful and elegant silver charger with glass beads around it. Dark gray, almost silver napkin, and I'm going to get around so you can see this. The napkin ring is a garden snail. Goes with the theme, not very intrusive. It doesn't need to be because the idea is about the arrangement in the front. The backdrop has my favorite elements, butterflies. Whimsical, kind of goes with the garden theme of it all. This is great for a wedding. I know that brides and grooms would be happy to sit behind this table facing their guests. It'll be a great option too for a virtual wedding or virtual bridal shower. You can have the camera just about here, and you would use Zoom or any other platform that you'd like to celebrate with your family a special occasion. Need ideas to create your virtual backdrop for your event, or need us to make it and box it up and ship it off to you or deliver it, we can totally do that. This whole backdrop could be packaged and delivered to your home with easy setup instructions, or we could set it up for you. Need to know how we can make this happen? Email me at info@myproeventplanners.com.